Now you can prepare for the 2V0-51.21 Professional VMware Horizon 8 X certification exam by using the VMware 2V0-51.21 practice questions of Killtest. The VMware 2V0-51.21 practice questions were updated with the latest questions and answers for the effectively exam preparation. All users of Killtest will be able to understand and observe the 2V0-51.21 questions and answers by reading the VMware 2V0-51.21 demo questions before purchasing the 2V0-51.21 practice questions from Killtest. Number 1. An end user complains that their logon time has increased dramatically. An administrator opened the VMware Logon folder to troubleshoot the issue, but it does not contain log files for the reported session. What could be the cause of this issue? A. The timing profile is disabled on the connection server. B. The Horizon event database is not configured. C. The VMware Horizon Logon Monitor service is not started. D. The Windows Event Viewer is disabled. Answer. C. Number 2. A Horizon administrator wants to implement Dynamic Environment Manager so that application configuration data is injected when the application is started. Which option would provide this feature? A. Direct Flex. B. Application Migration. C. Group Policies. D. Triggered Tasks. Answer. C. Number 3. Users need to be able to log into Workspace ONE Access and connect to remote desktops and applications without having to provide Active Directory credentials. Which Horizon component needs to be deployed to allow this functionality? A. Enrollment Server. B. vCenter Server. C. Security Server. D. Replica Server. Answer. C. Number 4. An administrator is tasked with giving the security team non-destructive rights to see how the connection servers have been configured. What privilege is needed to meet the requirement? A. Global Configuration and Policy Administrators, read-only. B. Inventory Administrators, read-only. C. Settings Administrator, read-only. D. Administrators, read-only. Answer. D. Number 5. Which 3 can be used by a Horizon administrator who wants to provision an application to users' desktops? Choose 3. A. VMware App Volumes Application Package. B. VMware Horizon Published Application. C. VMware ThinApp. D. VMware Dynamic Environment Manager. E. VMware App Volumes Writable Volume. Answer. A, B, D. Number 6. Which 3 options are required to use an instant clone pool? Choose 3. A. VMware vSphere. B. Horizon Intelligence. C. Horizon Composer. D. Horizon Connection Server. E. Horizon Agent. F. High-speed Internet access. Answer. A, D, E. Number 7. Which 2 types of pools can be created in Horizon on Azure VMware Solutions, AVS? Choose 2. A. Full clone. B. Raw clones. C. Linked clones. D. Instant done. E. Pool clones. Answer A. D. Number 8. An administrator has added a support PCI graphics accelerator to a virtual machine configuration, which the administrator tries to power on the virtual machine. An error is displayed and the virtual machine remains powered off. Which of the following virtual machine configuration settings needs to be applied to enable the virtual machine to power on? A. Reserve all guest memory. B. Set memory shares to high. C. Enable video card 3D graphics. D. Disable CPU hot plug. Answer B. Number 9. Which two databases are supported in Horizon 8 for event database configuration? Choose two. A. Oracle DB. B. DynamoDB. C. MariaDB. D. Microsoft SQL. E. MySQL. Answer A. D. Number 10. A user reports that sometimes they have issues using their remote desktops and published applications. What three pieces of information should be collected to troubleshoot the issue? Choose three. A. What exactly did the user see on the screen when the issue occurred? B. Has the user reformatted recently to clean up old cached data? C. Does the user's home PC have the same problem? D. What time was it when the problem occurred? E. What was the user doing when the issue happened? Answer A. D. E.